constructed at one of our local projects here in Denver. A lot of activity on the job site today, which is super exciting, and this is about the correct time frame for us to be involved on a project and having materials delivered. Specifically, we want to talk about the differences between full bed limestone and what is called a thin veneer limestone. Here on this wall, you're looking at a combination of white and cream limestones. These are products that we quarry and make out of Texas. And the average thickness you're going to see here, especially on this coming up to the window, is going to be about 4 inches is a good average to plan on for full bed limestone. This is a product stacking on a foundation ledge, of course. In construction, it could be installed on a lintel, but predominantly on a full-scale residential, you'll have a ledge in your concrete. We ship this material by the ton, bring it out on pallets. And here again, you can see some of the various thicknesses that we have, and this is a piece of cream, this is white. We offer the material in multiple colors and are able to do size and color blends as well. An option from here is what we call thin veneer limestone. This is actually a piece of a different color called pewter, but here you're going to notice the average thickness is going to be closer to 1 inch or 1.25 inches. So that's where we're talking about thickness of these two different options for your limestone veneer. Again, full bed, average about 4 inches thick. You can see that's right about what we have on that piece. You have a piece here, obviously running closer to 5 inches. You have a piece here that's going to be a little bit under. But again, good average to plan on for your project is going to be a 4 inch thickness. So this again is an example of a thin veneer limestone installation. This is a little bit special over our standard offering in that the edges of these pieces were cut during installation by the mason to create what we call a dry stack look, where we have very tight and square joints on this particular application. If we go back to the full bed limestone wall, you'll notice here we have rougher edges, and this is a jointed masonry, which is very common as well. For this particular project, we are going to be going with the dry stack look, so we're going to be taking our full bed limestone product and actually cutting it at our factory so it will come delivered to the job site sawn on all 4 edges. Standard delivery for either of these two products will include sawn top and bottom edges and rough on the 2 ends, and of course pitched on the front. Now if we look at the thin veneer, here we typically are going to be about 1.25 inches thick. So again, that one's right about 1.25 inches to the front facing of the stone. Some may work a little bit closer to 1 inch, but that's a good thickness to plan for on your project. So that's a look at how we do thin veneer and full bed limestone. If you have any questions, please go to our website, materials-marketing.com, and get in touch with your local branch, and we'll be happy to help on your project.